If the managers approve this form, I want to update the database, the paid leave days of the user, as it is a daily leave request. It will be only half day. So I will use update DB tool. But first, in order to calculate, I will use the calculate tool. What am I gonna calculate? It's the remaining days. So let's develop a new data element called remaining days, and it will be numeric. And from calculate tool, let's write the bottom name approve. And as it's positive, let's make the background color green. That's fine, but let's not forget inherit mandatory field control, because the reason of revision data element is mandatory. If it is sent to revision, the user has to fulfill this reason of revision. So I will inherit mandatory field control. That's fine. And now let's calculate the remaining days. So it will be daily leave. So I want it to decrease only half day. So I choose paid leave days. It will be minus 0.5, only half day. And from this step, it will go to update DB. I just prepared the query before. This is the query, update DB query. And I go to the SQL command. I write the query. I choose the data source, update sec users. specod2 is the remaining days, where user ID is. User ID, so update paid leave days, and if it is successful, we just end the process. Okay, it seems fine. I will just save this process, but maybe first I want the approve appearance order number 1 and cancel appearance order number 3. So send to revision, not this one, send to revision appearance order is number 2. Okay, that's better. So from positive to negative, and I go to eFlow in order to check how it looks like. I start a new process. Okay, so this is the first form. Please select your type of leave. It will be daily leave. And this is the unpaid leave days I have. This is the paid leave days I have. And I have to select, I want to take the rest of the day off, and it will be until the evening, let's say. And I send this request to approval, and it is sent to managers leave request process daily leave approval form. They have 3 days to end this task. And as I am the admin, I see all the tasks that are assigned to everyone. So if a manager runs this process, the managers, they will see everything read-only, but the reason of revision. So this is the disclosure. You may approve, send to revision, or cancel, or reject. I had written cancel, but we can just change it. Reject this form. So if I send to revision, look, this is the mandatory field, so I have to type something. But if I approve it, then the database has to be updated. So let's check by starting a new process if it has been updated. I start new process and I choose daily leave, and look, half day has been decreased from paid leave days. So the database has been updated. Okay, the first part of the process has been designed. Let's continue.